High tides and low tides of water. All the water that Earth has, it moves at the surface of it. The tides get low and high about 5 to 6 feet. The moon, which is the closest planet to Earth, during the time that the moon goes around Earth, whenever the moon is vertically straight with Earth, it causes Earth to go down on the side. The water that is at the surface of the Earth, it moves to find its level. The North Pole does not affect the movement of Earth because it's in the center of it. In the South Pole, the moon brings Earth a little down. Whenever the moon is vertically straight with Earth, it has high tides. Whenever it's on the opposite side of Earth, it also has high tides. However, when the moon is to the left or to the right of Earth, it has low tides. This proves that without the moon, there wouldn't be any high tides or low tides. Just like every other planet, even the moon has its own gravity strength towards Earth. The weight of the moon on top of Earth causes the Earth to move a little down. One way to figure out exactly how water moves on Earth is by taking a pot and filling it with water. In the same pot, fill it with sand according to the continents on how they look on the globe. Move it very little side to side and you will see how it moves. The edges of the pot is Antarctica. Earth without water. Imagine the world without water. If the world were to be round, it wouldn't stay in the same position that it is currently in. The Pacific Ocean is estimated to be half the Earth's size. Under that water, it's all flat. The huge space that the Pacific Ocean takes up, it messes up Earth's form, which makes Earth look like half the moon's size. Asia, Europe, and Africa, whom are above sea level, would tilt Earth to the other side by 90 degrees. This happens because of the weight that these three continents hold. If the world was round, North Pole would have been in the middle of Pacific Ocean. South Pole would have been in Africa, and the equator would have been in the middle of South Pole and the North Pole. The world is flat, and that is the reason why everything in it stays leveled and on its own place. Landing a parachute on top of a flat mountain. If we land on top of a flat mountain from a parachute, it will be successful. In the case that the Earth attracts us or that gravity holds us, why is it that if we land on the side of the mountain, it will not hold us, but we will end up dropping down from the mountain? In the south of the globe, how come we don't fall there if the world is round since we are diagonal with the mountain that we landed on? The Earth is flat. The flatness of the Earth holds us because we are flat horizontally with Earth. The side of the mountain is diagonal with the land that causes us to fall from the mountain. Therefore, it is not because Earth attracts us towards it. There are two earths below. One is round and the other is flat. On which earth can we build buildings on that are level? On which earth can we actually live on? Anyone can actually understand this.